Not enough hours in your day to get it all done? Well, today I'm going to help you with that. And honestly, I'm super excited about it because it's a huge request from our audience. Folks are busy with jobs, kids, life, and then they layer trying to build a business on top of that as well. So if you ever feel like you never have enough time to get everything done, well, stick around because I'm going to walk you through my time management strategies to maximize your productivity. Now, we've got great videos coming out weekly to help aspiring online marketers and home business owners learn how to monetize their passions, generate leads and sales, and leverage automated strategies to create businesses and lifestyles of their dream. So make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. In this video, I'm going to give you a super practical step-by-step tutorial of exactly what to do to maximize your day and get as much done as possible. And make sure to stick around to the end because I'll be giving you a free gift to help you implement this in your life. Now, step number 1. Simply write down everything that you need to get done each day. Now, this isn't just business stuff, but everything, okay? If you do the miracle morning steps, then write them all down. If you want to exercise, pray, read a story to your kids every day, whatever it is, write it down. If you're building your business on Facebook, what daily activities should you be doing every day? Write them down. What about Instagram? List out all of those daily action items that you should be doing for your business on Instagram. Are you building an email list? How about writing them every day? Take time and do this and make it complete. Now, step 2, once you've completed that, is to figure out your schedule. And I like to use a 30-minute schedule of the day. But I've had friends that prefer 15-minute schedules or 1-hour block schedules, so do whatever makes sense for you. Now, using a pencil, because you're definitely going to be adjusting and erasing as you figure this out, start by blocking out the things that you must do at specific times, like getting the kids up, feeding them breakfast, dropping them off at school, or your specific work hours that you have if you have a job. Now, once you have the have-to-dos written down on this schedule, then you start writing in all of the other tasks that you want to accomplish in your day. So, for example, from 5 a.m. to, from 6 a.m. to 6:30 maybe, you have yoga, and you do yoga in your house. And from 6:30 to 7, maybe prayer and meditation. Whatever you are trying to get done, put it on the schedule. And now you've got a schedule that tells you exactly what to do throughout your day. So you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what to do next. And you don't need to redo this all the time. This is like something that you do, you get done, and you're going to use it for quite a while until something changes in your life and you need to adjust, okay? So simply keep this at your work desk or where it's visible so you can reference it throughout your day as needed. Now, once you have your schedule flushed out throughout your day, now finally step 3. Okay, using the list of things that you want to do each day, create a checklist for yourself that you can actually check off throughout your day as you get things done. Now, you know that every day will obviously not go as planned, and in fact, most days won't. But having this checklist will help you adjust throughout your day and still make sure you get everything done. Since I'll be documenting on this daily, I like to save paper where I can and actually set this up in a document that actually has 5 days listed out on it, so I can print one out for the basic work week on one piece of paper. Now, personally, I've actually created a couple files using Microsoft Excel for this, both the 30-minute daily schedule and the daily checklist. Now, as a special gift to you, I'm going to make these available to you. So simply click on the link in the description to get both the editable and printable schedule and checklist along with examples of each. So click the link and get organized with these awesome time management strategies. Now, on top of that, I'm going to make sure that you have links below in the description, guys. So if you don't know what your daily action items, what you should be doing every day on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, wherever you're building or want to build your business, but you don't actually know what you should be doing every day, I'll make sure that I include our latest trainings for each of those strategies, those platforms, further down in the description so you can grab those as well. Now, if you have any time management strategies that are working great for you, please comment below, share it with our audience, share it with everyone watching here in the community so that others can learn and benefit as well. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, share on your favorite social media platform, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and we'll see you soon.